Hi guys, 안녕. I'm Sarah and today I'm going to cook something using two food ingredients that I'm really into at the moment. The first ingredient is an avocado. The second ingredient that I'm going to use is called 명란젓, and that's salted pollack roe. I grew up in Australia, so I ate avocados all the time, like in salads or as a sandwich spread, but until recently, avocados weren't that readily available in Korea. I used to pay $7 or $8 for one avocado. In the last year or so, avocados have become more common. You'll see them at every supermarket here, and they cost around $2 or $3 each. I'm trying to use more avocados in my cooking, and you'll see recipes by younger Koreans trying to use it in their cooking too. Now, it kind of looks like a red slug, and you might be a bit put off by the appearance at first, but this is like a salty, funky tasting Korean version of caviar. You can drizzle sesame oil on it to have it with rice. You can make soups, omelets. You can even mix it with mayonnaise to make a spread for baguettes. So we're making 명란 avocado bibimbap, and the ingredients that we're going to need are 1 slice of salted pollack roe, half an avocado, 2 eggs, and these are some green leaves, and they're actually baby leaves. When I use leafy vegetables in cooking, I like to use these baby leaves because they're young saps, which means that they're really rich in minerals and vitamins. And of course, it's bibimbap, so we need a bowl of rice. The first thing that we're going to do is to remove the outside casing of the pollack roe. So you can just use your hands to take it apart. Use a spoon to scrape out the eggs on the inside, like so. It's sort of like sausage lining, so you don't want to eat the outside. It's pretty tough. So we're just going to take the eggs from the inside. If you're wondering why the color is red, that's because it's been salted with gochugaru or red pepper powder. You can buy white versions of salted pollack roe, but personally I like the version with gochugaru. It's much tastier. So make sure that you remove all the eggs on the inside, and don't try licking your fingers when you do this because it's really salty. So I don't recommend that you eat this without rice. Okay, I think pretty much got all of it out. Once you've scooped out the eggs, you want to add just a drizzle of sesame oil. Next, I'm going to slice just half an avocado. Scoop it out of the shell and then turn it over, slice it thinly. The 명란젓 and the avocado is ready, and next I'm just going to crack my eggs into a bowl and just whisk them with a fork very lightly, like so. Turn on my stove and add just a little bit of vegetable oil, and once the pan's warm, add my egg mixture to the pan, and I'm going to scramble these eggs. Presentation wise, I think it looks much prettier with scrambled eggs, but you could do a fried egg sunny side up. It's up to you. Make sure that you don't add salt to these eggs out of habit because the 명란젓 is really salty, so you don't want to go adding salt to your eggs. Okay, I think that's good enough. I don't want to overdo the eggs. So yeah, remove them from the heat. So that's pretty much it, guys. All we have to do now is arrange everything on our bowl of rice. Start off with the scrambled eggs and arrange that along the outside. Next, the avocado. Take the slices and arrange them on top of the eggs. Lucky I decided to use these avocados today. I mean, they're starting to get really spotty. Next, the baby leaves. I'm just going to add them on top of the avocados in the middle. Then the 명란젓. Followed by some toasted sesame seeds. And we're done. Let's eat. So let's taste this. If you want to make it a little more flavorful, I've got half a tablespoon of soy sauce here, so you can add that. Or if you want something creamy, you can add mayonnaise. For me personally, the avocado is creamy enough, so I'm going to add soy sauce. So drizzle that on top like so. When you eat it, make sure that you get a good mix of everything. A little bit of the myeongnanjot, some of the egg, the avocado, and the rice. This is so good. Like, you get the saltiness from the pollack eggs, and then you get the creaminess of the avocado, and then you get this fluffy texture of the eggs, and then the crunch of the fresh vegetables. It's good. This is so savory. I mean, I think you could even do this as a sandwich filling if you wanted to. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a comment. I really love myeongnanjot, so I think I'm gonna do a few more videos about how to make banchan or side dishes with it. If you're interested, please tune in again. Bye! 다음에 또 만나요.